has just been uploaded.
Hi guys, this is Dave from Dave's Vintage Apple Tech, and you know, I haven't had a lot of luck with any new subscribers. I'm really surprised that nobody has really showed an interest in getting this nice USB Yeti microphone. And it's a nice microphone. It's just been slightly used. It comes with the cable here. It's about 7 feet long. Initially I said it was about 6 feet. It's a little longer now. It's about 7 feet long. And so anyway, it works with older Macs, as long as you got USB and able to do recordings on it. And of course the newer Macs, it works fine. And you got lots of features. This is the blue, it's the Yeti, excuse me. And so anyway, this can be, you got to get the little adapter, but you can tripod mount this. And so anyway, it's a great mic. So I had originally 1,000 subscribers. I took that video down, and so all we have to do is 50 subscribers. That's it. As soon as we hit 50 subscribers, I will do a live video of the drawing. I'll put all the names in a hat. We'll do it. I might even let my cat pick out a name, and we'll go from there. And this is going to be offered in the United States, anywhere in the U.S. territories, Canada, Mexico. I can't do European shipping because it's so darn expensive now with all these tariff laws and stuff. So anyway, I would appreciate it if you guys want to win it. That's all you got to do. Just subscribe. It's that simple, and maybe just a little brief mention why you would like to win it. It's a professional microphone as far as USB. A lot of people use these. I used to use this, like I said, I had one before this and it got broken, but this one I hardly ever used. So there's hardly any scratches at all on it. Excuse me. So anyway, yeah, that's it guys. So, and whoever does win, I would like them to do a little short video, and I'll put it on my channel of them getting the microphone and using it, and that's all I would ask if you would want to do that. And so yeah, so this is a good opportunity for you to win something. This is a nice microphone. I mean, this thing cost $100 originally, so you can get it if you just subscribe. Okay, so that's it guys. 50 subscribers, that's all we're asking for. Okay, and you know, your support helps keep my channel going. I take donations. You can contact me at my business contact, an email. If you know somebody that's got an old system they want to get rid of, or if it's local in my area, I live in Sutter Creek, California, I'll be happy to take it. If you want to send something to me, any kind of Apple Macintosh peripheral or any type of system, old, newer, it doesn't matter. Even pieces, I'll give you a mention and display it in a video. So that's it guys. Like I said, if you want to win this, all you gotta do, we get 50 subscribers, we're gonna have the drawing live, and that'll be it. All right, you guys have a great holiday season, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.